Hi folks, Mr. Mann here with some outdoor trigonometry. Right, I have a guitar here that I've measured to be 1 metre tall, and we're going to measure the shadow of the guitar, and it comes down to about, let's go 75 centimetres. So an object that's 1 metre tall casts a shadow of 75 centimetres. Let's look at the piece of paper. Cameraman, come round so you can see the piece of paper. The 1 metre guitar casts a shadow of 75 centimetres. So I'm going to work out the angle there. We know now, don't we, that you do the inverse tan of 1 over 0.75, which is inverse tan 1 divided by 0.75, 53.1 degrees. So that's 53.1 degrees. Now, I need to do this quite quickly because the sun will move and the shadows will change. But if I measure now the shadow of another object, so I've got over here the basketball net. To measure the shadow of the basketball net. Here's my tape measure. And up to the top of there is always exactly 2 metres. Wow. So, back to paper. I know that the shadow of my basketball net was exactly 2 metres. And it must make the same angle. This must be 53.1 degrees. Because I did it almost at exactly the same time. So the question is, how tall is my basketball net? Well, let's do some maths. Tan of 53.1 is the opposite over the adjacent, so that's height over 2. So I just work out the tan of 53.1, times it by 2, and it's 2.66 metres. The height is 2.66 metres. So, your challenge today, cameraman, back on me. Your challenge today is to just find any object that you know the height of, measure its shadow. So just like we did here. So you find the angle. That's going to give you the angle that any shadow is going to make with an object. And then, I don't know, go out in your garden, find a tree, or go for a walk in the park and, I don't know, measure the shadow of a tree. You must do it at the same time so that you get the same angle. But it's a really cool way to measure the height of objects that you can't normally measure the height of, like trees and buildings and stuff like that. Use your imagination, maybe take a picture of yourself doing the maths, and I'll see you soon. Okay, thanks, bye.